So we're here in Santa Ana, California at Beyond Wraps. Marvin's going to be doing an awesome wrap on our truck. We're finally bringing our rendering that we've had for a while to life, which is going to be super awesome. This morning the boys also went down and picked up these fenders from McNeil. So we will no longer have stock fenders, and with this new long travel, this is definitely a much needed upgrade. We'll see how they hold up in the rocks. I'm sure we're going to hit them on some stuff, but that's what fiberglass is for. We'll just get new ones if that's the case. So yeah, we're excited to get this going and button up some last minute things on the car and make it look sweet.
Finishing up our first day here at Beyond Wraps. We got most of the main wrap actually finished. Tomorrow is going to be putting all the sponsor logos on here and getting the fiberglass mounted up, get that wrapped, and then we'll be on our way to Hammer Town. So we're working on getting our McNeil fenders mounted up here. Out of the box, they do require some minor trimming, but that is by design. For example, our front clip is pretty bent, so if it was pre-drilled and perfectly aligned, it probably wouldn't fit on here. So luckily we didn't have to change too much. We had to make some minor trims up here. Next we just gotta drill some holes, and it's a pretty perfect fit.
So we just finished up here at Beyond Wraps, and Marvin absolutely killed it on the truck. While we were here, we also got to take some time to finally get our skid plates on and dial in some of the last minute details. And now we get to head out to King of the Hammers.